today I'm coming back at you guys once again with another hair video. So as y'all can see, I got my hair completely different. Y'all know I stay with some long bundles, some curly bundles, some straight hair, some wavy hair. This time I had to go back to the wavy, y'all. Like, I haven't had a natural length like this, y'all, in so long. But y'all probably thinking this is some bundles. No, y'all, this is a lace front wig. Now y'all know I don't really wear lace front wigs. So this wig right here is from DYHAIR777. This is their Brazilian body wave, their lace front wig. This is, I believe the density of this wig is 130% density. Now with this wig, y'all, I can tell that this is real virgin hair. You can tell when you got some good quality hair. This is some A1 hair. This hair is bomb. Straight out the pack, it was so silky, it was so shiny, but it wasn't too shiny, but it was just perfect straight out the pack, y'all. It's so pretty, it's so natural looking, and I haven't had really no major issues with this hair. Y'all are gonna see how I actually customized this wig. It was so easy for me to customize. They had already pre-plucked the wig, so you don't even have to really do much to it, but you will have to cut your baby hairs because the baby hairs is really long on this wig. As y'all can see, I just have baby hairs right here. Y'all, I just cannot stop running my hands. When I tell y'all this hair is so lightweight, it literally feels like nothing is on my head, which is kind of a pro and kind of a con, because the only con that I have with this hair is, like, I'm just running my hands through it and no shedding, y'all, but the only con I have with this hair, y'all, is that it's too thin for me. Now some of y'all may like it. I like it, but also too, it's like I feel like I need some more hair. Like, this is all the hair. Let me show y'all this. This is it. This is all the hair. Now it does look really natural. Like, I'm telling y'all, this looks like it could be my natural hair, but it's really pretty and you can't add volume to it, you know, kind of. That's why I'm kind of like, you know, kind of running my hands through it, kind of fluffing it out just a little bit, so that kind of add some volume to it. This hair straight out the pack was A1. I could tell just by the look of it, just by the feel of it, y'all. If y'all looking for some wigs,
looky. Looky. I heard your man want a piece of this nookie. Hey.
What is you doing?
Hey.
What is you doing?
I'm just trying to figure out what you over here promoting.
I'm trying to do my video about this hair, and you always seem to want to interrupt.
Like your fans love me, so bitch.
Nobody loves you. Nobody. Who said they love you? Nobody.
Whatever.
Go pop a squat over there.
I'm gonna give you something. I'm gonna give you something right here. If you want to purchase this right here, this is called Remy Slickback right here. This is Remy Slickback, really silicone. It's good for the summer.
Girl. What is
30
this?
inches. 30,
what is this?
30 inches.
Can you answer me? What is this?
What do you mean, what is this?
Why is it all the way down to your eyebrow?
I got this Aaliyah look going. What do you mean?
What Aaliyah look?
This is Aaliyah look back in 90, like 94, whenever she made that song.
No.
I can make you rock the boat. Bitch, I be rocking this hairstyle. What you mean?
No, you don't. What is this hump in your head?
Cause I just finished headbutting the bitch. What you mean? Come on now.
I'm done with you. I really am done with you.
Anyways, y'all will see me in a couple modes cause she be front and whatnot.
You may want to get the hair out your eyes and out your mouth.
Excuse me.
And it stank. You might as well tell me what you think about this hair. I mean, since you want to interrupt my video, because I know this hair bomb.
I guess I'll put my little 2 cents here.
Go ahead, give your little 2 cents. You always gotta give your 2 cents, even when it's not asked for. Okay, give me my comb. I don't need my comb running through that rat.
What do you mean?
I don't need my comb running through that rat.
30 inches.
Okay.
30 inches.
All right, we're not talking about that.
30 inches.
We're not talking about that. This is the topic of discussion. This bomb wig that I got from DYHAIR. I can't even say it.
Continue.
Can I get the name right, please?
Okay.
I feel like this is my own hair. It's so natural looking. I ain't got no humps. I ain't got no lumps. Like, I ain't really, you know, I ain't trying to say nothing, but it's so flat.
None taken.
So flat, and it's just so pretty. Like, oh, just the quality of this wig. Oh my gosh. And then all I did was just plop it on my head. You feel that?
Okay, I like
it's so soft, ain't it?
It's a little soft. It ain't all that soft.
No, it's soft. Y'all, this hair is so soft. It's like butter. Alright y'all, so I know y'all just saw me plucking the front of this wig. I didn't really have to pluck too much because it was pre-plucked. I did cut some of the baby hairs, as y'all saw, a little bit shorter because they were really long. So I cut them and I just kind of plucked some of them out and I just laid them down with some water. So I'm going to take this finishing powder and I'm going to put it on my part just to give it more of a natural look. Y'all see that? And I just rub it in like that. Make sure you guys check out DYHAIR777. Make sure you guys check them out. Y'all, when I tell y'all, I am in love with this wig. This is literally the softest hair that I have got. Like, by far, this hair is so soft. It's too soft. Make sure you guys use my coupon code to get some money off. I believe it's $10 off your entire purchase. So make sure you guys use my coupon code. It is LATE. So make sure you guys use that. I'll have everything linked down below in the description box. I need y'all to tell me right now in the comments what y'all think about this wig on me. I am like, when I tell y'all this is gonna be my staple wig for the summer, like I said, you can literally just plop this wig on your head. If you don't know how to style wigs and stuff like that, this is the wig for you. I'm telling y'all. Check them out. Links down below in the description box. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Peace.